Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Microsoft added the requirement for a Microsoft account while setting up Windows. It can be irritating for users who value privacy or follow a D approach and want to set up their copy of Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. We will discuss easy methods to bypass Microsoft account requirements while setting up Windows 11. As the name implies, you must use a false email address to continue setting up Windows 11. You won't need to supply your actual Microsoft account credentials while doing so. First, install Windows 11 and set up region and keyboard preferences. After that, you will arrive at the sign-in page. Click on the email address text box and type no@thankyou.com. Then click on the next button. Type a random password and hit the sign-in button. Windows may respond with an oops error and give you a next prompt. From here you can create a local account and proceed as normal. After that, the out-of-box experience page will redirect you to create a local account setup process. Enter your PC name and after that enter a strong password. Of course, there's no guarantee either of these methods will work every time. A far more reliable method is to install Windows 11 from scratch with custom bootable media or to use a special command. You can also set up Windows 11 with a Microsoft account and then either convert that Microsoft account to a local account or create a new local account and delete the Microsoft account from your system. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.